Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Taurus. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angels guidance message at last. Taurus, Judgment, Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. Taurus, with these cards, I feel you are heading towards some kind of change. Maybe this may be regarding your work. So change in position, maybe you're getting a promotion or you are taking up a new job, some kind of a renewal of something is happening in your life, guys, and you are undecided about some things, about your choices. You do not know which way to go, and you are feeling very emotional because of that. Some confusion is there within yourself regarding this decision what you have to make regarding these two choices, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some important messages or some information today regarding this choice you need to make in life, and maybe for few of you all, you are happy where you are and you would have decided about your thing, that choice you need to make, and the results you want to get out of it. So you are decided on that. This may be regarding your work, or it may be in your relationship, guys. You feel you have overcome the obstacles you are facing and you are moving forward with your life. You have made your choice, guys. So let us see what is coming up from this other set of cards. It'll give us a better clarity in the situation, guys. Taurus, with these cards, I feel you are not decided about something because you may be you may have some fears to venture into a new path, take up a new path. You do not want to move out of your comfort zone. For some of you all, guys, you just want to be where you are really comfortable with. And for some of you all, you may feel somebody is trying to cheat you. They may try to use you for your skills and abilities, and they may take the credit, something like that. It may be in your work or in your relationship. You feel certain people are very ambitious and that is affecting you. They may be intruding in your day-to-day affairs and they may try to control you. They may be advising you regarding some things, some financial decisions, or some important decisions you have to take in your life, in this relationship. So somebody may be trying to command you and try to control you, or they may force their authority on you. So this person may be your friend, or this person may be your person whom you are in relationship with, or family, somebody older, They may be trying to, what to say, um, uh, force themselves on you, force their views on you. So you do not know what to do, whether to decide this way or that way, and you're really confused, guys, which way to go. So that is the energy here, guys. You are really confused today. You're thinking about something and you do not know what to do. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, guys. Withdraw. So with this card, Taurus, I feel sometimes we need time to reflect within ourselves. So in order to do that and get a clarity in our situation, we have to see our situation with a different point of view, guys, from a different perspective. So when we see our situation from a different perspective, just like that of a third person, we will not judge, we will just observe how our thoughts will flow, and we will get the insight into our situation, and that way we will get the truth about our situation and the solution for our situation, guys. So you need to do that, guys, to see your problems from a different perspective and reach your solution. So that is what the angels are guiding us to do today, Taurus. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.